The Epson PowerLite 982W LCD projector is built for those who demand powerful performance, exceptional brightness, and seamless versatility. It's designed to excel in classrooms, meeting rooms, and professional spaces that require clarity, reliability, and smart connectivity. This model takes what Epson does best, vibrant projection with consistent color, and brings it into a form that's easy to set up, easy to use, and built to last. Starting with display performance, the PowerLite 982W features WXGA resolution at 1280 by 800 pixels, delivering clear, sharp, and detailed visuals. Whether you're presenting data, slides, or video, every image is crisp and easy to follow. Epson's 3 LCD technology ensures the projection maintains true color balance and eliminates the rainbow effect that often distracts in single-chip systems. The result is lifelike color accuracy and smooth transitions, ideal for both professional and educational environments. Brightness plays a huge role in how a projector performs in real conditions, and this one stands out with an impressive 4,200 lumens of both white and color brightness. That means it delivers a vivid, easily viewable image even in brightly lit rooms. There's no need to dim the lights. Everything from fine text to vivid visuals remains visible and engaging. The PowerLite 982W is built to connect with almost anything. It includes HDMI, VGA, USB-A, USB-B, and LAN ports, giving flexibility for both wired and networked setups. Wireless presentation is also possible with an optional adapter, letting you share screens from laptops, tablets, or smartphones effortlessly. Switching between sources is smooth, making it ideal for fast-paced meetings or dynamic classroom sessions. Durability is another major strength. Epson's advanced lamp technology provides up to 17,000 hours of life in eco mode. That means years of operation before you need a replacement, reducing maintenance costs significantly. The cooling system keeps the projector quiet and efficient, even during extended use. Its sleek and compact design allows for both portable and ceiling-mounted installation. It's lightweight yet sturdy, designed to fit seamlessly into professional setups. Keystone correction and zoom adjustments make screen alignment quick and precise, ensuring your visuals stay straight and clean on any surface. Built-in audio is handled by a 16W speaker, clear, balanced, and powerful enough to fill mid-sized spaces without external speakers. It's optimized for speech and video playback, making it an all-in-one solution for most professional settings. Epson also includes smart network control features, allowing administrators to manage and monitor multiple projectors from a single system. This saves time and adds convenience for large institutions or corporate environments. When it comes to real-world performance, the PowerLite 982W stays true to Epson's reputation for dependable image quality. Colors are bold yet natural, motion remains smooth, and details are always sharp. It doesn't try to be flashy. Instead, it focuses on doing the job perfectly, every time. For users who want an easy-to-manage, bright, and long-lasting projector, the Epson PowerLite 982W is one of the best choices available. It's designed to adapt, whether you're teaching, presenting, or streaming content. The combination of reliability, color accuracy, and connectivity makes it a serious performer in its class. If you're ready to upgrade your projection setup and experience professional-grade clarity, check out the link in the description to learn more about the Epson PowerLite 982W LCD projector.